paano nga ba ang mag-fill up sa NCUI annotation form? So halimbawa, sa indicator, nakalagay dyan is 1.2.2, use research-based knowledge and principles of teaching and learning to enhance professional practice. So blanco yung MOV dito, yung tatlong column, description of the MOV presented and at the annotation. So ngayon, hahanapin mo ano-ano ba yung mga MOV na mayroon ka. Kagaya ng lesson plan, DLP, DLL, WLP, activity sheets, assessment material. So, ang inilagay ko dito ay ang dated lesson plan sa MOV. So, dito naman sa column description of the MOV presented. So, ang ilalagay mo dito ay i-describe mo lang kung ano yung lesson plan or yung dated lesson plan. So, it is a teacher's map, guide, and script for teaching one lesson and shows strategies that based on research to help learners understand the lesson. So, simplihan mo lang itong pag-describe or tinatawag na direct to the point. And then, dito naman sa column na annotation, i-explain mo lang dito kung bakit yung lesson plan ay yun yung MOV mo para na-target mo yung indicator na 1.2.2. So, ano-ano nga ba yung mga use research-based knowledge and principles of teaching. So, ito yung mga scaffolding, differentiated instructions, cooperative learning. So, ilalagay mo dito, I design my lesson plan using research-based teaching strategies such as scaffolding. Ito yung I do, we do, you do. And then, cooperative learning. So, lalagyan mo ng cooperative learning. So, ito yung mga group activities. So, mga pangkatan na activities natin. And then, you design yung lesson plan with differentiated instruction. So, activities that are varied based on learners' needs and readiness levels. So, iba-ibang gawain ito. And then, so this MOV proves that I apply the research-based principle in planning. So, ibig sabihin lang, kung ano yung mayroon kang MOV, yun ang isusulat mo. And then, sa description of the MOV presented, yun yung describing yung documents na mayroon ka. And then, sa annotation, explain mo kung bakit yung MOV na yun ay na-target yung indicators. Yun lang po. Salamat.